Saudi Arabia has been building a massive $8 billion turtle-shaped Terra yacht that would become the world's biggest water and largest floating structure once it's completed. The supercontinent Pangaea inspired the name of the ship known as the Pangaeos, which has room for up to 60,000 passengers. The Lazzarini design firm is renowned for its forward-thinking ideas for high-end mobility. It presented the Air Yacht, helium-powered floating super yacht design previously in the year. Pangaeos' interior details have not even been made public, but Lazzarini anticipates that construction will begin around 2033 and last for 8 years, costing about $8 billion. The flying metropolis of the future is separated into sections, which include restaurants, shopping complexes, roof-mounted gardens, resorts, and even airports. According to the architecture firm, it looks like a floating city in Saudi Arabia. 9 HTS electrical turbines, each with a capacity of 16,800 horsepower, will be installed in the Terra yacht, allowing it to cruise at a speed of 5 knots while housing 19 luxury residences and 64 flats on each of the turtle wings. Lazzarini suggested KSA as the place for the Terra yacht in its description of Pangaeos. There are many strange happenings in the world, both natural and man-made, like flying hotels, and right now, a huge floating city might actually come to pass. If it is built, the world's giant turtle-shaped ship will be a new Terra yacht that has been unveiled. The launch of a Terra yacht, a ship larger than Super, Mega, and Giga yacht. The luxury vessel Pangaeos design has recently been unveiled by designers Lazzarini, and if all goes according to plan, it will be the largest boat in the world as well as the most impressive boat in the entire globe. In their structure, after 30,000 cells installed beneath the living area would keep the yacht afloat. Its cruise speed would be 5 knots. It goes without saying that solar panels would be installed on a sizable portion of the hull and beam to supply power. Despite the fact that this is only a prototype, Lazzarini and Saudi Arabia are treating it seriously. In fact, they've started a crowdsourcing effort where anyone can pay $16 for a virtual ticket or an NFT that grants entry to their own virtual condo in the boat. It is the largest floating structure ever built on the earth. Once completed, according to the Arabian Business, it would be the biggest floating structure ever constructed. It is currently being developed. The opulent undertaking was developed by the Italian design group Lazzarini. The giant ship would just be 1,800 feet long. Its widest point would be the 610-meter wings of Pangaeos, 2,000 feet according to Lazzarini. On every one of the floating vessel's wings, there will be 64 flats and 19 villas. In addition to these features, Pangaeos will also have a supermarket and a beach resort. It will be powered by virtually infinite renewable energy sources. The engine is probably powered by solar panels on the roof and ocean waves.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.